If you have a religious mother, you'll notice the way she talks is the same way a drug dealer talks. One of my favorite things that they say about Muslims on the news is, ये मुसलमान लोग सब मिलके. I'm like मिलके. मेरी शादी होगी थोड़े साल हो गए. मैं दहेज मांगा था. उन्होंने ना बोला. Let's talk about love here. It's fun, dude. It's fun being Muslim in this country, right? It's like an adventure sport. Every morning I wake up like, आज मेरी कौम ने क्या किया? Honestly, dude, न्यूज चैनल देखते तो ऐसा लगता है मेन कैरेक्टर एनर्जी तो हमारी ही है. No matter what the situation is in the country, the long division of the problem always results in Hussein. Like somehow 2 + 2 = Muslim. They always reach that conclusion. I love it. My only problem is in their news debates and all that. 7-8 बजे उनका प्राइम टाइम डिबेट होता है. वो डिबेट में कोई भी जो भी प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस कर रहे होते हैं उसमें एक मुस्लिम अंकल आता है बात करने के लिए. राइट. माय प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाई दैट मुस्लिम अंकल ऑलवेज बिग दाढ़ी टोपी तखल्लुस से तकब्बुर कीजिए मियां. मैं पहना है ना पैंट टी शर्ट लाइक यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. लाइक व्हाई ऑलवेज बॉलीवुड की मूवी में भी हिंदुस्तान की आवाम को पैगाम. Who talks like this, dude? मेरे खानदान में कोई ऐसा बात नहीं करता. It's just how we are represented, right? I used to get very annoyed as to why we are represented like we are all from Lucknow. Recently I found out the answer as to why that happens. Okay, 2-3 years ago I moved to Mumbai and one of these days in the morning I went for a walk to Bandra Bandstand. मैं avocado खा के गया था. So I was allowed to be there. मैं पे चल रहा था and I met this small time writer. I don't know if you guys would have heard his name. Salim Khan. Some of you. Yeah, he's written छोटी मोटी फिल्में जैसे कि शोले. उसका बेटा कुछ एक्टर भी है. Right? Yeah, उसको गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती. I swear उसको गाड़ी की चाबी दे दो. He's like a deer in headlights. So that's Salim Khan, right? I saw him and I was like, oh my god, Salim Khan, I should go say hi. I was like with my friend, I was like, brother, Salim Khan, we should go say hi. He's like, हाँ, कितने आदमी आते कभी नहीं. वो जावेद अंकल की लाइन थी. So we went there, we shook his hand, obviously big fans, all that, right? He asked me my name. When I answered my name, his response is the reason as to why we are represented that way. He said, sir, big fans. He said, तेरा नाम क्या? Sir, Mohammed Hussain. He's like, आदाब. I said, sir, आपकी वजह से मेरे को बैंड्रा में घर नहीं दे रहा कोई. You understand? Because he's like that, he wrote characters like that. Now everybody thinks all Muslims speak Urdu all the time. हम सब मुनावर जाकिर बन के घूम रहे हैं, शायरियाँ पेल रहे हैं बस. मेरा पूरा कॉलेज का जिंदगी ऐसा ही चला है. मेरे दोस्त लोग मेरे को आके बोलते हैं मैं लड़की पटा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा ऐसे इसमें मैसेज में थोड़ा अल्फाज लिफाफा कुछ डाल ब्रो, थोड़ा हीरामंडी डाल दे इसमें, थोड़ा हीरामंडी. नहीं आती मुझे उर्दू. I don't know man, कुछ भी कहते हैं हमारे बारे में न्यूज़ पे. One of my favorite things that they say about Muslims on the news is whenever they're having their whatever they're having, they always start with this sentence, ये मुसलमान लोग सब मिलके. I'm like मिलके? Have you met Muslims? We hate each other. You think other people hate Muslims? Muslims hate Muslims. We get together every week to decide which Muslims are no longer Muslim. Right? This joke is for me to find out where the Muslims are sitting. Because everyone just realized, अरे तुम लोग same team में नहीं हो? Right. And all the Muslims are laughing, ha ha, us. How many Muslims here? Make some noise. Right. और इतने सारे लोग में 4. बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं. मैं जब भी सुनता हूँ ना, I'm like, yes, please. मेरा ऑडियंस बढ़ेगा, प्लीज बढ़ जाओ. I don't know man, whenever they talk about, like, I'll give you an example for those of you who are learning about this for the first time. I'll give you an example of how divided we are, okay? Let's say as a group, your favorite festival is Diwali. ठीक है? तो जब आपके घर पे दिवाली होती है तो आपके मामा के, चाचा के, मासी के घर पे सेम डे पे दिवाली होती है. You hear the 4 Muslims laughing? They know where this is going. Right? Reasonable expectation. Right? What's the Muslim equivalent? ईद. तो जब हमारे घर पे ईद होती है तो मामा के, चाचा के, मासी के घर पे सेम डे पे ईद हो, नॉट नेसेसरी. राइट? क्योंकि चांद का मसला बेसिकली इस्लाम फॉलोज ए लूनार कैलेंडर. द साइटिंग ऑफ द मून डिसाइड्स द एंड ऑफ द मंथ. इसीलिए ईद के टाइम पे इंस्टाग्राम पे चांद वांद दिखने लगता है बहुत. दिस इज द रीजन. Basically, the concept is, I'll say, Ramzan के 29th day पे you're supposed to go outside, look at the moon. अगर चांद दिखा तो अगले दिन ईद. अगर चांद नहीं दिखा तो परसों ईद. I'm simplifying, but basically that's this thing. One full city of Muslims cannot come together to decide celestial body moon is visible or not. Every 29th Ramzan चाचा और मामा फोन पे चांद दिखा नहीं दिखा, चांद दिखा नहीं दिखा. टीवी चालू करो, मुसलमान लोग सब मिलके. कब मिले? Where was this meeting point? What is this WhatsApp group? Nobody's inviting me. Crazy, man. It's crazy the things they say, dude, on the news. About one and a half year ago, in one of those hate speech get-togethers, मैं अजीब नहीं बोल होता है. In one of those, one dude said something crazy. He said, we should kill everyone who understands the Quran. Right? Wild statement. I was like, whoa, brother, what and all you said? Kill everyone who understands the Quran. I told my mom, look at what they're saying on the news. You should kill everyone who understands the Quran. My mom looked at the news. Oh, everyone who understands the Quran. तो तू तो बच जाएगा ना नालायक. You're not Muslim enough to be murdered. Little sidetrack. That's what I've realized about religious parents. Like if your mom is very religious, no matter which religion you belong to, same life. If you really pay attention, if you have a religious mother, you'll notice the way she talks is the same way a drug dealer talks. मेरी माँ रोज सुबह आके नया स्कीम है. Bro, once pray this prayer once, bro. Straight heaven. Heaven. But she brought up an interesting point, right? Like if the premise of the situation is understanding of Quran is equal to murder, then how much understanding is equal to how much murder? Right? What is the proportionality? Right? अगर तुम्हें सिर्फ 4 पन्ने आते हैं तो वो सिर्फ पैर काटेंगे. Like what is the cut off to cut off your head? Like will they have an entrance exam? Like GMAT but GMAT. That's the kind of shit I think about. I know थोड़ा dark हो गया, I'm sorry. We'll close this loop, this Muslim session, with a lighter joke. Okay? Let's talk about love jihad. Haha, you believe me. Love jihad, interesting subject. Not going to talk about subject for safety purpose. I only want to talk about how they talk about it on the news. ठीक है, न्यूज़ पे ये सीरियस मैटर अगर है, जो भी है, उसके बारे में जब बात करते हैं, the way they talk about it, I don't like it. The way they talk about it is always there'll be one dude who's like, ये लोग हमारी लड़कियों को फंसा रहे हैं. I'm like, oh my god, no, stop. With their good looks and charm. I'm like, oh my god, no, stop. मैं हुस्न पढ़ा. Their biggest complaint is इन लोगों को सेक्स करना सिखा रहे हैं. कहाँ सिखा रहे हैं? Where is this coaching center? 4 साल हो गए शादी को, सिर्फ मैं खुश हो रहा हूँ. Suddenly sex joke came, no? You didn't expect. I know. Some of you might know I am married. How many married people here? Make some noise. You can hear it. You can hear them. You heard the marriage in their voice. I think people who believe in love marriage are stupid. Arranged marriage is best marriage. Love marriage, stupid people, I believe. How many here believe love marriage? Make some noise. How many of you single? You see? नहीं मिल रहा ना कोई. Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, जीवन साथी सब चेक कर लिया तुमने. अब करो मम्मी को फोन. मम्मी कौन सा रिश्ता? Get on my level. I don't know. My problem with people who believe in love marriage is how do you believe in yourself so much that you think this is possible for you? Also, it's a very big decision, no? पूरा जिंदगी किसके साथ बिताने का है, right? Huge decision. इतना बड़ा decision मम्मी को लेना चाहिए. I feel like तुम लायक नहीं हो. तुम्हें मुसम्बी और संतरे के बीच में फर्क आज तक नहीं समझा. How are you going to decide who to spend the rest of your life with? It's a big decision, dude. I'll give you statistics. 3 out of 4 love marriages end in divorce.
What?
Wild, right? Crazy. 3 out of 4 love marriages end in divorce. Only 1 out of 4 arranged marriages end in ye aurat pagal hai. It's a great. If you're a man, it's a great system. See, I know थोड़े issues है arranged marriages में, ठीक है? पर ठीक है, दहेज वहेज मिलता है, nice. Oh, sorry. बेटी की खुशी के लिए गिफ्ट्स, या श्योर. मेरी शादी होगी थोड़े साल हो गए, मैं दहेज मांगा था, उन्होंने ना बोला, तुझे नहीं देंगे, बिकॉज वी आर मुस्लिम्स. यू गाइस नो दिस? हमारे में मेहर का सिस्टम होता है, उल्टा सिस्टम. लड़के वाले लड़की को पैसा देते हैं, राइट? आई वाज आल्सो लाइक, अरे वी आर इंडियंस बिफोर मुस्लिम्स. मेरे को मेरा आल्टो चाहिए. मैं मांगा भी आल्टो था यार, ऐसा BMW नहीं मांगा मैं. My meher was set at 75,000 rupees, which, you know, that's fine. मैं शादी के बाद पूछा भी, baby, 75,000 rupees, you deserve so much more. You deserve the earth and the moon and everything in between. Why did you ask for only 75,000 rupees? She looked at me and she said, वो amount मेरी औकात के हिसाब से नहीं. Like, हाँ, thank you. बैंक बैलेंस में बचा नहीं है कुछ. I think people who believe in love marriage are usually young people with hopes and dreams. When you turn 25, they go away. उसके बाद मम्मी को फोन लग जाता है, नहीं हो रहा, मैं टिंडर पासपोर्ट भी खरीद लिया, मम्मी नहीं हो रहा. And to be honest, आजकल की डेट में in love marriage, arranged marriage, at least in metro cities, it's gotten to a point where ज्यादा फर्क नहीं बचा है between, like, arranged marriage में क्या होता है, तुम्हारी मम्मी डिसाइड करती है. लव मैरिज में टिंडर डिसाइड करता है. Who do you trust more, dude? Your mother who raised you, तुम्हारी टट्टी साफ करी उन्होंने, और some algorithm designed by some engineer जिसकी अरेंज मैरिज होगी. And engineers created Tinder. Still can't get any. How did you create the game and then you're the worst player at it? Like, तू इंग्लैंड है क्या? Like, right? एटलीस्ट मम्मी जब बायोडाटा दिखाती है तो उसमें जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन रहता है 100% एक्यूरेट, 24/7 365 days. ठीक है? उसमें अगर लिखा है पूजा तो मिलने जाएगा 100% एवरी टाइम पूजा. नेवर राहुल, तू वापस आ गया है, राइट? नेवर. वहां पे फोटो लगा है, इट्स ऑलवेज फोटो लाइक दिस. नेवर पहाड़ का फोटो वंडरलस्ट. नन ऑफ दैट बुलशिट. एवरीथिंग इज टू द पॉइंट. लड़के की हाइट है 6 फीट है 4 इंच. लेना है तो लो वरना आगे जाओ. लड़के के माँ बाप भी जाके बोलते हैं ब्यूरो में कि हम रेसिस्ट हैं, हमें गोरी लड़की चाहिए. 2-4 रिश्ते टूटने के बाद थोड़ा चलेगा, दहेज में देख लेंगे. इट्स द फैक्ट्स. बट एटलीस्ट whatever the playing ground is, all the rules are set before you get into it, right? If you meet a racist father-in-law, mother-in-law, you are like, okay, racist father and mother-in-law, are they rich enough for me to compromise? Or should I say no to this relationship? शायद बेटा अच्छा होगा, वो रहता भी अमेरिका में है, right? You get to make that choice. Love marriage तुमने कर लिया, फिर पता चला अरे मम्मी पापा तो racist है. Now what to do? Now you're stuck. You invested 4 years in this asset. And someone told you कि long term capital gain tax लग गया, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I'll just give you last attempt to convince you, ठीक है? Love marriage is like Vivek Oberoi. Stay with me. Love marriage is like Vivek Oberoi. Arranged marriage is like Salman Khan. They are both, but at least one is successful. Right? And in this situation, Aishwarya Rai is happiness. वो दोनों को नहीं मिलती. And if you really think about it, वो किसी को नहीं मिलती. Sad है. Damn, dude. Aishwarya Rai couldn't find love. You think you will? Right? You guys know what crowd work is, no? Yeah, you've seen those reels, right? अरे तेरा नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम Manish. Essentially the relationship. Is your name Manish? As soon as I said it, he's like, hello sir, with the basic ass name. क्या करते हो मनीष? टेल मी engineer please.
मैं साइंटिस्ट हूँ।
You're a scientist? Is it because your name was Manish? So you're like मेरे को कुछ अजीब ही करने का है. मैं engineering नहीं कर सकता.
इंजीनियरिंग कर ली उसके बाद
Engineering करी. Very nice. What kind of scientist, dude?
सरफेस एनालिसिस करता हूँ मैं न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट बोलता
You're a nuclear scientist.
हूँ बाबा टॉमिक रिसर्च
हाँ?
मुंबई में ही है, बाबा टॉमिक रिसर्च
You're in Baba Atomic. All right, dude. Are you married?
या
You're married also? Look at you living the dream. What's your name, ma'am?
रुचि
हाँ?
रुचि
आप इनके साइंस में रुचि रखती हैं? Let's go.
अच्छा बर्थडे
उसका birthday? Wow, dude. How old are you, ma'am? If you don't mind.
29
Oh, 29? I was gonna say 20. That's it on that beautiful note. My time's up.